In an effort to ensure good representation of constituents, the State House of Assembly has deliberated on the need for the executive arm to award contract for the construction of a road linking Gidan Bita, Gandu, Dan'awo, Sarin Gumawa, Kurpa, and Unguwar Gamji communities, all in Gummi local government area. Presenting the motion before the House, the Deputy Speaker and member representing Gummi 2, Adamu Aliyu Gummi, said the affected communities, mostly farmers, face a lot of problems in transporting their palm product after harvest, hence the need for urgent attention in that regard. In their contributions, members representing Gusau 2, Ibrahim Garba Liman, Bukuim South, Hamis A. Faru, and Kauran Namoda North, Nasiru Mukhtar, said the road, if constructed, will ease transportation difficulties being faced by people of the area, in addition to improving socio-economic activities in not only the affected areas but the state in general. Following unanimous agreement of the members, the House Speaker, Bilyamin Ismail Moriki, called on the state government to construct the proposed road for rapid development.
Those in support, say aye. Those against, say nay.
Well, the House adjourned sitting to next Monday. In Gusau, Bello Sani Maradun, NTA News.